Hello viewers, welcome back to this course. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about custom dates and time formats in Excel. We are going to learn how to customize our own date and time format the way we want it to display on the screen. Even though date and time are actually stored as a regular number known as the date serial number, we can make use of extensive formatting options to display them just the way we want. Remember, the underlying date serial number is still the same. The custom format we are going to apply doesn't change the underlying date serial number. Now, looking at this table I have here, custom date formatting characters. These are the characters that you can use to define your own custom formats. For example, the D display the day as a number without a leading zero. From this date, the D is going to pull out the day without a leading zero. For example, 3. It will pull out the 3 which represents the day without a leading zero. The DD format displays the days as a number with a leading zero when appropriate. From the day, the DD is going to pull out the day with a leading zero. You can see 03 is now pulled out. The DDD, that is triple D, display the day as an abbreviation. That is Sunday to Saturday. From this date, it is going to pull out the day of the week as abbreviation like this. If you pass a 4D like this one, it is going to display the day as a full name, that is Sunday to Saturday. From this date, it is going to pull out the day full name, Tuesday, like this. A single M displays the month as a number without a leading zero. From this date, it displays the month as a number. You can see it, that is September. 9 represents September. The double M displays the month as a number with a leading zero when appropriate. From this date, it is going to display the month as 09, which is September as well. The triple M displays the month as abbreviation, that is January to December. From this date, it is going to display the month as September like this as abbreviation. The 4M displays the month as a full name, January to December. From this date, it is going to display the month as September, that is the full name of the month. The 5M displays the month as a single letter, that is January to December is represented with only the initials. Okay, that is J for January and D for December. From this date, it is going to display the month as S, which is September. Double Y displays the year as a 2-digit number. From this date, it is going to display the year 2024 as 24, like this. 4Y displays the year as a full digit number. From this date, 2024 is displayed as 2024 like this. That is 4-digit number. Let me show you example of how you can define your own custom date. This is an example of how a custom date is defined. From here, you can see we can bring the character together to create our own custom format. From this date we have here, if you want to display the date in this format, okay, that is Friday 30th August 2024. This is what you will enter. This 4D represent full day, that is Friday. The 2D represent 30. The triple M represent the month. And the 4M represent the year. You can also separate it with delimiter, either adding space or any character you want to separate the date or the number with, okay? For example, adding comma after the month also display it here. You can see after the month we also have comma. If you want to only show the month and the year as abbreviated, you can use this format. If you enter this format, this is what we have, August 24. You can see the delimiter is hyphen, so it is also showing here. You can also display it in this format. You can see the day that is started, then the month, August 2024. It is using 2-digit year here. You can see another format. Let's say you want to display the year first before the month. You can also see it here. You can see another format here, that is the abbreviation of the day and also the month is also showing here. Okay, this is another one. You can see we have the month / the year. This is what it will return. let us talk about the custom time formatting characters. If you want to format time, these are the characters you will use. The H display the hour as a number without a leading zero. The double H display the hour as a number with a leading zero when appropriate. The single M display the minute as a number without a leading zero, while the double M display the minute as a number with a leading zero when appropriate. The single S display the second as a number without a leading zero, and double S display the second as a number with a leading zero when appropriate. If you want to display the AM or PM, you can also pass this argument like this: AM/PM, either for capital letter or small letter. You can also use the abbreviation A/P for capital A and P, which represent A for AM, P for PM. You can also use the small letter like this. If you pass any of this format I have here, it will display the hour using a 12-hour clock. Excel displays AM in capital letter or AM in small letter, or A for just abbreviation of AM, or small a for small letter. That is for times from midnight until noon. And capital PM or small pm, or capital P or small p for times from noon until midnight. Let me show you the example of custom time format. This is an example of how you define a custom time using all the symbols I have already shown you. From this time here, if you want to display only the hour, that means you pass H as the format. You can see it only show the hour. If you want to show the hour and minute, you can display it with this format. Remember, when you are defining the time, you can also separate it with any delimiter you want. If you use column, this is what you are going to have here. If you want it in this format, you can enter it and you will see the result. You can also display it in this format, including second. This is what it is going to give you. You can also display it in this format with extra leading zero, and it is going to show here like this. You can also include the AM/PM. So if the time you pass is AM, it is going to display the AM. If the time is in PM, it is also going to show the PM. You can see another custom format. You can also add your own custom text like the hours, minutes, and seconds. You can see the result here: 9 hours, 35 minutes, 42 seconds. So anyhow you want your time to be displayed, you can format it. For you to understand all these logics better, let's jump into Excel so that we can perform the practical aspect of displaying the time and date. I open Excel. This is the data we are going to work with here. We are going to use the data I have here to explore different ways of formatting dates and time.